This video will offer you a sense of the Saitama Inu price prediction for 2022 to 2030, and its projected growth from technical analysis to fundamental price history. At the end of this video, a clear picture will emerge as to what the future holds in terms of how high the prices will go. The future of Saitama will also be revealed to you. It is a cryptocurrency that is poised to become a popular asset shortly. The crypto space is all set to hit the mainstream soon. Every project is coming up with unique plans to survive and dominate in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Saitama Inu a good investment? How much will Saitama Inu be worth in 2025? Or how much will Saitama Inu be worth in 10 years? Guessing the price fluctuations and predicting the future prices is one hell of a task. Saitama is a community-driven token or platform that wants to develop solutions to educate the next generation of investors and make crypto simple and safe for everyone. According to its white paper, it focuses on Gen Z investors, 93% of whom feel confused or frustrated when it comes to finance. Saitama's vision is to provide them with content that teaches how money works while they invest, thereby opening opportunities for wealth creation. To achieve that, Saitama plans to develop its own ecosystem, including a marketplace, a smart wallet, an NFT-based launchpad platform, and a multi-channel content platform. Saitama is currently in stage 3 of 5 in its roadmap. It further plans to launch a marketing campaign on TikTok and Twitter to raise awareness and reach 100,000 holders. That will likely go hand in hand with launching parts of its ecosystem. In its final stage, Saitama pledges to donate to student bodies and educational charities. The live Saitama price today is 1.66 times 10 to the power of -8 US, with a 24-hour trading volume of 12,744,975 US. Saitama is up 7.26% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 2867, with a live market capital of not available. The circulating supply is not available, and a maximum supply of 100 quadrillion Saitama coins. If you would like to know where to buy Saitama, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Saitama stock are currently Gate.io, MEXC, XT.com, Bitmart, and Lbank. Saitama Inu price prediction 2022. Saitama have huge potential, with certain collaborations and innovations may increase the number of users and adoption. If the market concentrates on investing in Saitama Inu, the price might rise much higher. By 2022, it can reach a maximum value of $0.00000001. It is expected that the Saitama will turn around a little bit if the market goes down. The year 2022 can end with an average price of $0.00000001 with a minimum price of $0.00000000 and the maximum price of $0.00000001. Saitama price prediction 2023. The Saitama Inu value will increase because of the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the calculated price for the year 2023 is bullish. Saitama was anticipated to touch a maximum price level of $0.00000001 by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is highly optimistic that the Saitama Inu's future will ultimately grow. Therefore, the predicted average price of Saitama will be around $0.00000001 to $0.00000001 is expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the Saitama's maximum price ranges from $0.00000001 to $0.00000001 for 2023. Saitama Inu price prediction 2024. In 2024, with more adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of Saitama Inu would skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $0.00000001 in 2024. The price ranges are going to be very trendy if we keep it that way. If everything goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.00000001 with a maximum price of $0.00000001 for 2024. Saitama price prediction 2025. A seamless approach to this currency may be found on many websites and forums. In the opinion of this prediction platform, Saitama Inu will steady at its current price for a very long time to come. By 2025, the Saitama is expected to be worth a maximum value of $0.00000002. The minimum price can go up to $0.00000001 if the market gets bullish. Saitama Price Prediction 2026. Saitama will be seen as a better option, and with the huge community, Saitama Inu price will touch new highs. The price fluctuations are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the price of Saitama Inu will be almost $0.00000002. The maximum price that we can get is $0.00000002. Saitama Inu average price forecast at the end of 2026 can be around $0.00000002. A huge price turnover is expected within the range defined by the crypto market. Saitama Inu Price Prediction 2027. Saitama Inu present price range might interest many traders, and because of this, Saitama can reach $0.00000004 by 2027 with substantial cooperation with financial institutions if the following requirements are satisfied. With an average price of $0.00000003 for 2027, it can beat the latest price trend to reach new highs. The price tagline can vary as the crypto market can see another bullish trend on its way to 2027. Saitama Inu Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, it is not easy to forecast and keep up with the current pricing. Many crypto analysts come into play in this regard. The pricing forecasts are correct for the mentioned years. Crypto consumers are still concerned about the crypto bans and new restrictions. Saitama Inu price may cross $0.00000005 if the market sees a good bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be held by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $0.00000004. Saitama Inu Price Prediction 2029. It appears that by 2029, Saitama prices will have reached a level similar to their previous all-time high. By 2029, we may expect an average price of $0.00000006. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted the maximum price of Saitama Inu could be up to $0.00000007 in 2029. Of course, there are chances that the market will dump after a long bull run, and it is normal for cryptocurrency market. Saitama Price Prediction 2030. There are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age. Certain that the long-term price prediction for Saitama's price will soar since there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2030 can end with an average price of $0.00000009 and a minimum price value of $0.00000009. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $0.00000010. Saitama Price Prediction 2031. For long-term Saitama Inu price predictions, basic analysis is essential. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers a few. The digital economy's autonomy makes it ideal. As dApps and stable coins develop, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. For long-term Saitama Inu price predictions, basic analysis is essential. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers a few. The digital economy's autonomy makes it ideal. As dApps and stable coins develop, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of Saitama will rise to about $0.00000013 by 2031 if more investors are attracted to the idea. For 2031, the year can end with a maximum price of $0.00000015 with a minimum price level of $0.00000013. Here are the most frequently questions asked by investors about Saitama Inu. Is Saitama Inu a good investment? Many experts and traders believe that Saitama Inu has been a great investment for a long time. Surprisingly, the value is increasing. Therefore, it is guaranteed that the investment will yield a good return. How much will Saitama Saitama Inu be worth in 2025? Many platforms and analysts think that the price of Saitama Inu will continue to grow in the next 5 years, surpassing the $0.00000002 mark by the end of 2025. Even though the price seems like a stretch, you never know. Saitama and other cryptocurrencies are very volatile and can change direction at any time. How much will Saitama Inu be worth in 10 years? There is a considerably higher chance that the price of Saitama Inu will increase to $0.00000013 in 10 years. The value of one Saitama Inu can surpass a minimum price of $0.00000013 and maximum price of $0.00000015 within next 8 to 10 years. Here is my closing line. Since its launch, Saitama Inu has revolutionized several sectors. Many regulators have approved the coin, and a team of specialist developers is working hard to promote it and increase acceptance. This guide is a self-assessment of how well Saitama has done in the past, and the odds of it doing well in the future. So that is it for now.